Physics. Perhaps this isn't the first thing we think of when discussing what we love, but the fact is physics is everywhere. From cars to the human body, physics plays an integral part of our daily lives. Take football for an example. Ingrained into the American pastime, there are few sports which unite and divide us like football, but facets of physics, such as force and acceleration, are crucial. Let's take a look at Calvin Johnson, a player for the Detroit Lions. He is widely regarded as the best wide receiver playing in the NFL, but what makes him stand out? For starters, he is a giant even by NFL standards. Standing at 6'5", Calvin Johnson has a taller reach than most of his counterparts, who on average are around 6 feet tall. Second, he has a 43-inch standing vertical, a wingspan of 6'10", and an 11-foot standing broad jump. All of these factors allow him to reach an area around him that is as wide as a typical two-car garage. On top of all this, he is fast. He has a 40-yard dash time of 4.27 seconds, one of the fastest times recorded in the NFL. To achieve this incredible feat, we can calculate his acceleration using the distance he runs, about 35 meters, and the fact that he runs it at 4.27 seconds. By using the formula distance equals initial velocity times time minus 1/2 of the acceleration times time squared, we find that he accelerates at 3.9 meters per second squared, which is on par with Olympic sprinters such as Usain Bolt. But how exactly is Calvin Johnson able to achieve these incredible feats? If we were to look at his muscles, we would find that they are generating a tremendous amount of force, which we can actually calculate. The force generated by Calvin Johnson can be calculated by multiplying mass times acceleration, both of which we already know. By multiplying his mass, which is 97 kilograms, with his acceleration, which is 3.9 meters per second squared, we find that he generates 378 newtons of force, which is more than 2 times the force generated by the average sprinting human being. And so we see some of the physics behind Calvin Johnson's 643 catches, 10,405 receiving yards, and 74 touchdowns, and why he is considered the best receiver in the NFL.